Hello and welcome to the Wanderlust Professor yoga video series. My mission is to help you find a self-care fitness practice to increase your physical health and well-being. Please consult your doctor before beginning any physical exercise. Today, this video is brought to you on behalf of the Sequoia Regional Library System. To learn more about the library system, you can visit their webpage or their Facebook page. In today's video, we're going to focus on our neck and back. Because of social distancing, many of us are staying at home. Maybe we're sitting watching TV, or we're sitting in front of our computers working. So we might be getting a little stiff in our neck and back, and that's what we're going to focus on today. So a nice quick practice just to focus in and target on that area. If at any point in this practice anything feels uncomfortable to you, please dial back the intensity or come out of that pose altogether. We're going to begin by doing neck rolls. So we're going to take our chin, trace it up the left side, across the ceiling, and down the right. We're going to do 5 to the left, 5 to the right, and meet back here in center. Wonderful. Next, we're going to be stretching each side of our neck. So we're going to tilt our head to the left and just apply the slightest bit of pressure to feel a nice stretch here on the right side of your neck, all the way out through your shoulder. Lovely. Now let's go to the right. Wonderful. Next, let's get some movement going in our shoulders. We're going to do some shoulder rolls forward. And then we're going to do some shoulder rolls backwards. Perfect. Next, inhale your right arm up overhead and drop it back behind you. Take your left hand and place it on the outside of your right knee. We're going into just a gentle twist. Here we're keeping our spine upright, straight, thinking of it as it's lengthening every time you take an inhale and exhale. Once again, inhale and exhale. One more time, inhale and exhale. Lovely. Now let's go ahead and come back to center. This time, inhale your left arm up overhead, drop it back behind you, and take your right hand on the outside of your left knee. Going into that nice gentle twist again. Remember, we're looking to lengthen our spine, so we're stretching the crown of our head up towards the ceiling with each inhale. So inhale and exhale, inhale and exhale, and one more. Inhale and exhale. Come back to center. Now, let's bring our hands together. We're going to lay them on top of each other right in front of us. You have a nice level plane. And what we're going to do is we're going to raise our right elbow and drop our left, and then we're going to raise the left elbow and drop the right. If your head moves with this, that's absolutely fine. If you stay still, that's also okay. We're getting some movement here in our shoulders, and if you're moving a little bit with your head, you're also getting some movement in your spine. Do a few more rounds of this. And then go ahead and lower your hands down to your knees. Going to move into a seated cat-cow. So for seated cat-cow, what we're going to do is we're going to round our spine. So I'm going to turn a little bit so you can see. We're going to round our spine, pushing our stomach in towards our spine. Going to bring our shoulders together, spreading our shoulder blades away from each other on our back. We're going to inhale, bring our chest forward, take those shoulder blades and squeeze them together on the back side of our bodies. Exhale, rounding. Inhale, forward. Exhale, rounding. Inhale, forward. Make sure you're squeezing those shoulder blades together on the back side of your body. Exhale, round. Inhale, forward. One more. Exhale, round. Oh, feel that nice release. And return back to center. I'm going to get a little bit more movement in our spine with this one. So raise your right arm up. So almost like you're taking your fingers and you're putting them across your eye. We've got our elbow out, nice and straight. And we're going to twist, taking our right elbow to our left knee. So twist and come back up. And twist and come back up. Let's do that 3 more times. Twist, come back up. 2. Great job. And 1. Fantastic. All right, we're going to do the same thing on the left side. So raise your left arm up. Your fingers are roughly in front of your eye. We've got our elbow nice and straight. And we're going to take our elbow to our right knee, twisting. So twist, 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 and 1 more. Twist. Ah. Lovely. Go ahead and lower your left arm down. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to look for some nice release in our lower back. So we're going to round at our waist. Going to extend our arms out in front of us, walking our fingers forward, and walk them as far forward as you can. We're staying on our fingertips. We're not laying our hands flat down. So on your fingertips, walk your hands out as far as you can. Let your head hang heavy. With each inhale and exhale, see if you can't fold or melt deeper into the pose. Walk your hands to the right side. Walk your hands over to the left. Walk your hands back to center and slowly press yourself back up. Now, if you feel like you need to take a shoulder roll here, please go ahead and do so. Listen to what your body is telling you. And for our last pose, we're going to place our right hand on our mat. Inhale our left arm up. We're going to hinge at the waist, folding forward or folding to the right as we bend our right elbow. Couple of rounds of breath here. Press yourself back up. Drop your left hand to the mat. Inhale your right arm up. Hinging at your waist, fold to the left while you're bending that left elbow. Go ahead and lower that right arm back down, and let's meet together in a nice, easy seat. Let's inhale our arms up overhead, palms together, down through heart center. Thank you for practicing with me today. If you would like to learn more about the Sequoia Regional Library System, please visit their website or their Facebook page. Let me leave you with this thought. Kindness is a choice. Please choose wisely. Namaste.